अंडमान में समंदरी हुदूद में इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड्स ने तकरीबन 500 किलो मुनशियात को जब्त कर लिया, जिसकी मालियत 20,000 करोड़ रुपए है। यह मुनशियात कश्ती के जरिए मुंतकिल की जा रही थी। मुनशियात की ये सबसे बड़ी कीप है जो अब तक जब्त की गई।
Is actually culmination of very coordinated efforts of all the units who are very proactively guarding the seas of Andamans, and there has been absolute brilliant coordination between the ANC command and Andaman police. And just to put it in perspective, in last 5 years there have been 414 cases, and total seizure of this particular contraband was 637 kgs of methamphetamine, and this single seizure is more than 6,000 kgs. And as far as various estimates are concerned, its value is around 6 crores in international market per kg. So the value of this will be approximately 36,000 crores. 6 Myanmaris has already been said as have been arrested. Satellite phones, etc. have been recovered, and today they will be produced in court. Their police custody remand will be taken. The entire contraband has already been seized, and we would only add on to what has been already briefed that it has been a very coordinated efforts, not only in terms of patrolling and heightened alert, but we have been getting full support from the Commander-in-Chief and all his staff, not only training of our people, even as far as operational things related to operations of our boats, etc. are limited maritime resources are concerned, because the Andaman Police, of course, doesn't have the capabilities to patrol in high seas, but wherever we have needed, the Andaman Nicobar Command has been totally supportive, due to which even in a routine manner, there has been a very high number of catches of poachers who have mainly originated out of Burma. And in last 5 years, we have had 640 nationals of different countries who have been arrested. So we will just add on to this that along with the Coast Guard, the entire ANC command, Andaman Police is committed to keeping the islands safe, and the menace of drugs, as we have been seeing, has been increasing in the islands. And though this shipment, as far as initial interpretation is which we can share till now, is it was meant for international destination only. Of course, we will be able to share more details as we have the full police custody remand. So this particular consignment was not targeted at the islands. However, we have been seeing that the menace of drugs amongst the youth has been increasing, and not only preventing this international narco peddling, but also to keep the youth safe from the menace of drugs. This case and this catch will go a long way in fulfilling these targets.
Germantown Super Specialty Hospital National Award winner Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, German trained senior orthopedic surgeon and director, Mahir doctors Dr. Wasif Azam और Dr. Bharvi Chunduri, senior cardiologist और दिगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं। रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल, वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर।